All right, there's our new project, and we're in destruction mode right now. Everything's got to come out demo mode. So we're gonna blow this wall out 3 feet. This is gonna be the front. We're gonna square off the corner of the cabin, and this is gonna be actually the back of the boat where everybody does their entertaining and swimming. And when you nose in on a bank, this will be the front of the boat back here. We're gonna blow the wall out 3 feet and blow this back, probably 10 feet or so, to make the master bedroom quite ginormous. It'll be a nice size bedroom, and then this will be the front of the boat. It'll be the captain's helm. He'll be standing about right here driving the boat. There'll be plenty of windows around him where it'll be a nice setup. So this is our new demo. Sean's at it, tearing this room up, getting all tore down, and then Travis is pulling doors and jambs and tile. He's got the stove out, oven, working on the fridge, and one piece at a time. Good job, guys. All right, fridge is out. Then we're gonna pull the roof tiles. Oven's out. Tiles halfway out. Looking good. All right, we got the doors coming apart. One door out. Ceiling tiles coming out now. That's the new. We got all the tile off the counter and appliances out. We're gonna leave that sink for now. No sense in moving it. All the windows will come out later. Tile comes out for now. All the T-bar will come down also, Sean. We'll snip those with wire cutters once the tile's out. But yeah, one
so
of the
find my starting point.
Yep. Yeah, these angles will be a little, just pop them. It's gonna be kind of, I think if you come back this way, it works better. Come up and then scoot it back, and then they drop out. You follow me, Roger?
10-4.
All right, bud. Looking good. Looking good. Everything's totally getting remodeled, redone, so there's nothing we're really trying to leave unscathed. Good job. And then boom, pulling those apart.
This is how you do it. Good job, boss. I'm gonna put this down and go back to work before I get fired.
It's been a nice long day. Good job today, brother.
Thank you. It's been
It was
It hasn't worked like that in a while, Bill.
we got her done.
That's it.